department guiding force.
Who empowers us with their support and mentorship, Dr. Ratnakumari Chella ma'am, our respected head of the department.
Ma'am, please come on to the dais.
Respected dignitaries, our beloved director sir, the faculty members and my dear students, very good evening. So we are celebrating this day to bid the farewell to our lovely R19 batch students. And this is going to be the special day in our CSE diaries because this batch students, they are completing their 6 years of integrated BTech program successfully and stepping into their next chapter of their life. So as you all know that this 6 years duration, it is very crucial and an important stage for you all because this 6 years of time will decide your future. And I can say that so all you have successfully completed this 6 years of duration with lots of memories. I hope so. Yes or no? So, and we also sensed all those memories and especially the remarkable achievements which you have created for our department. And I can mention few of those achievements which we have got for our department from your batch. The prestigious one is one of our students has got Google Summer Code internship, which is almost 1.5 lakh per the duration. And the other one is from this batch after long time, after maybe 2016, we again got the gate ranks for our department, which is really remarkable achievement for our department. So though many times I used to just speak in front of the students regarding like though we are green, we are getting good number of placements and our students are working in the great MNCs and they are drawing high packages, but the only gap that we have is this gate. So this year that is also fulfilled. So and we are so happy, and I can say that, and this year you know what, the students, they have created a mark and that is given for the next batch students and the upcoming batches to crack and score more and get the more number of ranks so that we can flourish our department much better. And coming to this batch students, I have close association with many students as a teacher and also as a program coordinator. Many students, they work closely with us in the community activities too. And I mean we can remember each and every student by their face and by their name. And we are really happy for this batch, and for this batch students and also for all students, I would like to tell one good statement because we are already running shortage of time. I have instructed all the performers to cut short the performance, so we also try to cut short our time here. The statements given by Vivekananda, which arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached. I think you might have known it, right? So whatever you have got till now is not sufficient. You keep learning and strive hard, and before that set your higher goals and strive hard to reach the heights. And wish you all the best to all these students. And I also congratulate all the students for successfully completing their graduation. And I also just take 1 minute of time to appreciate the students who are backbone of this entire event, and actually they made this event reality and made it successful. Because of this only we could all have gathered here and interacted with each other. So the junior batches, these are 20 and are 21 batches. So we should also appreciate all their efforts which they made for this event. So really a wonderful job which they have done and made it reality. And not only this, I can say that from this R20 batch, we have very good organizers. So whatever that they are planning, we can say that that is really successful. That is becoming successful event. Yeah, we already experienced in Abhiyan, Adhya events. So they have wonderfully conducted all these events. So more events we have planned and conducted, and they raised fund also, and from that fund they bought several IT accessories for our department. That is really wonderful, and let us all thank and appreciate to that organizing teams and this organizing team also. Right. Lastly, just I would like to take 1 minute of time to appreciate the GATE achievers. So in the last meeting, in one this kind of meeting only, I announced that I am going to appreciate the students for cracking or getting the ranks in the GATE. So now I take this stage to appreciate all those students. So just I brought a token of appreciation for those guys. So, and I request our Honorable Director Sir to come on to the dais to present the gifts to those students. So I invite Ali to come on to the dais. Ali, please. Ali got 298th rank. Actually, it is not easy to get the ranks below, and his score is also 77. So that is a really wonderful score, because 77 out of 100 is really very good score. Congratulations. So I invite Lahitya to come on to the.
My batch.
Lahitya secured 342 rank, All India rank. Nayab Rasul secured 618th rank. Sri Vidya she secured 783. Congratulations. Chetan (844th rank). Hemant, his rank is 915th rank. Congratulations. Thank you, sir. And they all want to have group photos.
ఏంటి మీరు మాట్లాడుతున్నారని సోరీ కట్ చేసుకొచ్చండి
You all, the upcoming batches, to crack these ranks, whatever these achievers have secured.
తీసుకున్నాను తీసుకెళ్ళాలి